It's a single person throw for us. We're going to extend it several feet above the roof line, and you'll see in a minute that we need the leverage of that ladder to be several rungs above the roof line. The next step is to place the carabiner end of the rope through the rung and go ahead and ascend the ladder to the roof. Once you reach the roof, you're going to want to take a full wrap around the very top rung of the ladder. In this case, we're going to take one complete wrap around the ladder. Two complications of taking a complete wrap around that ladder rung is, number one, it provides a tremendous amount of friction, which could be too much friction for a lighter weight firefighter. The second complication is occasionally that when you're lowering the victim, that rope will actually slide and cross itself, physically locking up your victim as he's descending. What you'll see now is taking what I call a half wrap around that top rung. Essentially, it's just a bight of rope going over the top of that rung, and it provides less friction, allowing your firefighter to be lowered to the ground with ease. Once you've determined the amount of friction you need for your victim, you're going to secure that victim's harness into the carabiner. Place your victim in a convenient spot between the ladder and the structure. In this example, you see one firefighter, one rescuer going to push that ladder away from the building. Keep in mind that the weight of the victim is going to keep that ladder leaning in towards the building. So this is a safe maneuver, but it's a little bit difficult with just one firefighter pushing the ladder away from the building. This is an example of two firefighter rescuers pushing the ladder away from the building. It's a little bit easier work for each rescuer. It's also much more stable because you have two firefighters providing the leverage. It makes the ladder a little bit more stable and a little bit less work. Just a safer evolution in general. What's providing the braking for the firefighter that's being lowered as the victim? It's the firefighter at the base of the ladder. He's being sure to heel the ladder to make sure it stays stable and doesn't walk along the ground as there's tension being placed on it. But you can see that he's able to very much control the descent of the victim with very little or no trouble.